What was the first thing your mother did for you when you had a cold? She cooked some chicken noodle soup. It has been proved, however, that some of these various home remedies work. While some border on the outrageous, some may work. Remember, however, that if the problem is severe, to see a healthcare professional. Onto the home remedies. Acne and pimples. Try toothpaste. The chemicals in the toothpaste that are used to scrub your teeth clean actually dry out the pimples overnight. Lemon juice will have the same effect. Be sure to wash with warm water in the morning. If your acne isn't fazed by these two remedies, try boiling 3 teaspoons of basil leaves in 1 cup water and applying it to the affected areas via a cotton ball. Rubbing raw garlic on the affected area will also help blemishes to disappear with minimal scarring. Bladder, kidney problems. Boil cranberries and let me fall apart into the water. Cool and drink the water, and make sure to not add sugar. Bags under your eyes. Mix 1 teaspoon of tomato juice with a pinch of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon lemon juice and a teaspoon of flour. It will make a paste. Apply around your eyes for 10 minutes and then wash off. Energizer. Drink a mixture of grapefruit juice and lemon juice in equal parts to eradicate that tired feeling at the end of the workday. Gum in your hair. Surprisingly, this can be remedied easily by soaking the affected hair in Coca-Cola. The gum will easily wipe out hangovers. Drink plenty of water. Alcohol leaves the body in a severe state of dehydration. Also, try some honey. The fructose in the honey will help the alcohol dissipate from your body. Heartburn. Because heartburn is caused by an overload of stomach acid trying to make its way up the esophagus, try sitting up and eating rice pudding that was made with milk. It will help absorb all that extra acid floating around your stomach. If your heartburn reoccurs often,